Great location. This hotel was conveniently close to all the popular Kanazawa attractions. Great value for the money. Terikstastic very nice Dino hosts at the check-in. We had really nice conversations with them. Best budget hotel. Very clean and accommodating. Very modern. Great breakfast. Would return again. Best budget hotel. Very clean and accommodating. Very modern. Great breakfast. Would return again. Heart. Great place to stay, very close to Korinbo. Very central. Smile. Great location and value. Hilarious check-in with the dinosaurs. Great location, very clean and quiet. Would highly recommend this place. Checked in by a dinosaur. The reason we chose this hotel was for the novelty value of getting checked in by a robot dinosaur. The rooms are clean, but the beds are a little hard and the pillows flat. Would have been nice if there were extra pillows. We used the laundry, which was good. Exceptional brand new hotel. Good price. Interesting reception. Spacious modern hotel, just a bit distance to walk from station, better to take a bus but near to market and places of attraction. Everything was great, but I asked for a large bed and got the standard 2 single beds. Aside from that, I have no complaints. Great new hotel. Dinosaur robots at the reception. You will enjoy this brand new hotel just off a major shopping street and in walking distance from major attractions. If you travel with kids, make sure to warn them about the robot dinosaurs at the fully automated reception. Cool and hip new hotel, centrally located, spacious rooms. The automatic check-in by 2 dinosaur robots is pretty amazing. Nice location and nice receptionist. 2 dinosaurs welcome you at this hotel. It's worth to try. Dinosaur receptionists are the highlight. Life-sized velociraptors will guide you during check-in and check-out process, which is unique. Location is just behind a main road, easy to get on bus, many food choices and shopping. Clean and spacious room too. Beware the dinosaurs, lovely place close to parks and art visits.